Are you ready to indulge in a slice of my pumpkin pie cake? Hello, culinarians. Welcome. Get ready for a treat with my pumpkin pie cake. This delicious dessert combines the flavors of pumpkin pie into a moist crumble cake. One bite and you'll be hooked. Hi, I'm Bella LaFay, and I help people build confidence in the kitchen with simple, fun recipes and practical cooking tips. I want to make cooking at home easy for you. Here's some love from my recipe to yours. All-purpose flour is the most commonly used flour in pumpkin cake recipes because it provides the right structure and tenderness. Its moderate protein content allows for a light and fluffy cake while still holding together well. Some recipes may experiment with alternative flours such as whole wheat or almond flour. All-purpose flour remains the classic choice for achieving the desired texture and flavor in traditional pumpkin cake. This is what you'll need: all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, butter, milk, brown sugar, pumpkin puree, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, eggs, vegetable oil, buttermilk, vanilla extract, pumpkin pie spice, and powdered sugar. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and grease a 9x13 pan. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. Using a pastry cutter or 2 forks, cut the cold butter into the dry ingredients until it resembles coarse crumbs. Set aside. What type of flour is traditionally used in pumpkin cake recipes? A. Whole wheat flour. B. All-purpose flour. C. Almond flour. D. Rye flour. The answer is B. All-purpose flour. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, pumpkin pie spice, and ginger. In a second bowl, mix the pumpkin puree, vegetable oil, and sugar until smooth. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well with each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the pumpkin mixture, alternating with the buttermilk, and stir until combined. Pour the cake batter into the prepared pan and spread evenly. Sprinkle the crumble topping over the cake batter and gently press it into the surface. Bake for 50 to 55 minutes or until a toothpick poked into the center comes out clean. Enjoy your pumpkin pie cake with whipped cream or ice cream. The first bite's for you.